Hi, my name is Goldman, and I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. We're continuing our video series on family law. As you know, we have a focus here at the firm on family law with some sub-focuses in criminal law and injury work as well. Please subscribe to our channel. Today we're going to talk about a little bit about the FOC, or what we call FOC, but it's really the friend of the court. Now, different people have different opinions about whether or not friend of the court is a correct nomenclature, because it conjures up an image. It conjures up an image of a person or an institution that's there to help you and guide you and assist you in all your problems. Well, I think at the outset, that was the idea of the friend of the court, and I think in many cases, in many counties, that's exactly what you see. However, we have gotten calls from some clients who've said certain courts, they're not helpful at all. What do you mean friend of the court? You know, they won't give me legal advice, they won't do this, they won't do that. And you have to understand something about the friend of the court. They are there as your first step, as the main place that you're going to go to if you have a problem. Your ex isn't giving you parenting time, you should contact the friend of the court. You're not getting child support, initiate that through the friend of the court. But you have to understand something. Everybody goes to the friend of the court. They're a governmental agency. They have limited resources. There's only so much they can do. So if you're entitled to child support, but they can't serve the mother or father because he or she is gone somewhere, don't expect them to hire a private investigator and track that guy down and make him or her pay. That is not going to happen. At that point, the friend of the court might well say to you, look, we've taken it as far as we can take it. If you want something further, you're going to have to hire a private attorney, and you'll have to pay for that, and he'll help you out. So you have to understand that the friend of the court is there to serve you, but the friend of the court has limitations too. In certain counties, when cases are started, they actually have a procedure designed to introduce you to the workings of the friend of the court, to sort of teach you what resources are available. Oakland County, for example, has a program where when divorce cases are started, they do these early intervention conferences at the friend of the court where they specifically tell the parties, these are the resources that we have. This is the person you'll call for this. Here's a booklet that gives you all the phone numbers. They really try to make the friend of the court as an available resource to use, sort of interface between you and the court, and the friend of the court's in between. Like I said, there's a lot of resources, but you have to understand there are limitations. If you've taken this case to the point where the friend of the court can no longer help you, and at that point you need to get assistance, or you have a show cause with the friend of the court or some other thing and you need representation within the friend of the court, of course, give us a call and we'll be glad to help you out. If you have something immediate, don't hesitate. Call now for quick and absolute assistance.